Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. Famous Jamaican scholar and dancer Rex Nettleford is no longer with us, but continues to make an impact on the lives of many people today through his foundation. A host of patrons and past colleagues gathered at the Little Theatre on Tuesday to celebrate the late cultural icon through dance and song. They also witnessed the handing over of 2 scholarships to deserving Jamaican students and the recognition of the former artistic director of the National Dance Theatre Company, Barry Moncrief, for his contribution to the art form. E-Prime was there to join in the special affair. Take a look. Soca lovers are in for a treat this weekend. That's right, Bacchanal Fridays will be hosting their opening night at the Mass Camp tomorrow to kick off the season of pure excitement under the theme Rebirth. The event will feature guest DJs Miami Dream Team and King Taj out of Trinidad. The event promises to be one to remember and serves as a teaser to a season of soca bliss. See you there. The outrageously hilarious comedy review Data Go on Jamaica remix opened last night. The play, directed by TV personality and theatre connoisseur Delia Harris, received rave reviews. Data Go on Jamaica ran last year. However, the remix features new stories, Hotline, a call-in by a domestic worker to Emily Shields that jabbed at the social media video of a landlord using a town crier to evict his tenant. Other interesting themes, state of emergency and foreign life, a cry to Jamaicans to stop begging from those overseas. The hit, however, was The Hard Talk, a tribute to the late Ian Boyne that saw patrons applauding from the start of the theme even before the actors uttered a word. The scene starred Christopher McFarlane as Ian Boyne.
And surrounding environment, politically, socially, and religiously come up with these things.
So yes, it's not God's word.
Say for instance, 1 feed 5,000 with 4 fish and 3 barley loaves. And then 12 baskets.
Alright, that's your point. That's your point.
Life and death, I tell you. Life and death. Death is not the ending to life because life cannot die.
Yes,
Yes.
Look, so you don't believe that if a man dies, that his soul can continue after life.
Listen here, no.
Yes, here, no man.
Data Go on Jamaica remix lived up to its name, an outrageously hilarious comedy review. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.